line extending from near Central City to near Weir to near Oak Road, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oak Road, Central City, Elkton, Fort Campbell, Clarksville, Guthrie, Pembroke, Powderly, Greenville, Weir, Dunmore, Drakesboro, Trenton, South Carrollton, Justice, Everett, Allensville, Allegra, and Clifty. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 85 and 92. Western Kentucky Parkway between mile markers 53 and 65. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties: